Hey guys, thanks for tuning into the Sport-injected channel. Today I'm going to go over cleaning wheels two ways. One with soap and bucket and one with just spray detailer. As you can see, my front wheels are pretty grotesque. This has been about 1 week of brake dust from the Wilwood BP20 pads. So I'm going to use soap and water, just car wash in a bucket for these. And the back wheels are not too bad, so I'm just going to use spray detailer. I do not use any kind of specific wheel cleaner because, you know, most of them are pretty harsh. They have harsh acids in them to break down the brake dust. So I find they do more damage than good. The things I'm going to use: bucket with soap, Ethos Graphene car shampoo, a wash mitt. I have one just specific for my wheels. It's really dirty, as you can see. I'll be rinsing it with pump sprayer, drying with the blow dryer, and then I'll do a spray detail at the end with the Ethos Pro Shine. Enjoy. Alright, now I'm going to use the cordless leaf blower to dry them off. There is still some watermarks after the leaf blower, so I will do a quick spray with Ethos Pro Shine and towel dry the rest. Now my back wheels, I'm just going to use Ethos Pro Shine and and 2 rags. These wheels are not nearly as dirty as the fronts were. They are dirty, but not enough to need to use a bucket of water or a bucket of soap. So I'm just going to do spray detailer. next I'll do a time lapse of the same process on the other wheel. Thanks for tuning in to the Sport-injected channel, and I hope you guys find this useful. Please like and subscribe.